Hey everyone! So you took your iPad 8th Gen for a tumble, and now the screen looks like a spider web? Don't sweat it. Today we're going to swap out that cracked digitizer and get your tablet looking brand new. This is a DIY friendly repair, but it requires patience and a little heat. Let's get into it. The iPad 8 is held together by some seriously strong glue. Take your heat gun, keep it on a low setting, and sweep it along the edges of the screen for about 60 to 90 seconds. You want it warm to the touch, but not so hot it burns your fingers or the LCD underneath. Apply your suction cup to the corner. Give it a firm tug until you see a tiny gap. Slip your plastic pick in there. However, in our case, we don't need suction cup because it is already too much broken, so easy for us to lift the digitizer. Once the adhesive is cut, swing the glass open like a book from left to right. Now, the LCD is held down by 4 Phillips screws in the corners. Some might be hidden under small pieces of tape. Remove those, then gently lift the LCD, but be careful, it's still plugged in. To get to the connectors, we have to remove the metal EMI shield, unthread the 3 screws holding it down. Before we need to turn off iPad completely, it is better to do it in the beginning, but because of touch issue, we have to turn it off by unplugging the battery connector. This prevents short circuits. Now, pop off the 2 digitizer connectors and the single LCD connector. Set the old LCD aside in a safe, dust-free spot. If your new screen didn't come with a home button, you'll need to move the original one over to keep Touch ID functionality. However, in this repair, touch button already broken, so we have to use one with new screen. Now, time to clean the edges of the frame to adjust the new digitizer perfectly. Take your time and patience to make it clean. Now, connect the new digitizer and the LCD, then power the iPad on. Check the touch work everywhere. After testing, put all the screws and mutter plates to secure the connections. Later, peel off the internal plastic films and lay down your adhesive. Press the glass down firmly and maybe use of clips to keep the adhesive stable for at least 2 to 3 hours. And that's it. Your iPad 8 is as good as new. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy repair guides.